Hi guys! This program demonstrates how a while loop works in Python. So, it repeatedly runs a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. So, let's go! But before that, we need to find the PyCharm app. Right-click the Python Project 1 and go to New and Python file and put problem number 24. After that, we need to put the code of the problem number 24. So, this is the final code of the problem number 24. So, the first line, this sets the starting value of the variable count to 1. It will be used to control how many times the loop runs. And the second line, this is the start of the while loop. It means repeat the code below as long as count is less than or equal to 5. So, the loop will run 5 times from 1 to 5. On the third line, this prints as a message showing which loop's number it is. For example, this is loop number 1, then number 2, 3, and so on. And the fourth line, this adds 1 to the value of count after every loop. So, without this line, the value of count would stay the same and the loop would run forever. And the last line, after the loop ends, when count becomes 6 and the condition is no longer true, so this line prints a final message. So, loop finish with quotation quotes. So now, let's try to run this code. So, this is the final output. This is a loop number 1. This is a loop number 2. This is a loop number 3 up to 5. And the last is loop finish. That's the final output. Thank you.